video covers about installing MicroPython firmware in the ESP32 CAM module. So this is done in order to code the ESP32 CAM module with MicroPython language. So let us see about that.
So now this is the circuit connections that are to be made between the USB to TTL driver and ESP32 CAM module. So take note of the connections.
And now let us go into the now let us open Thorny, and now
Make the connections as per the circuit diagram that is shown before. So as you can see, it is done.
select tools, go to options, now select interpreter and install firmware. So now again I'm selecting export the firmware. We must it is a bin file. The link will be given in the description of this video. So I'm selecting the ESP32 micropython bin. This is the bin file that is needed to be flashed in the ESP32 CAM module. Now I'm installing it. So it is like this. So 0.6 is coming. So the trick is uh, you have to wait for some time and click on boot button. Like, I'm just waiting for some time. Now I'm clicking on the boot button. So again, see, it is in flash, and now again, serial port from 6 is being displayed. Now wait for some time, for 3 seconds or 4 seconds, maybe. Like wait for some time, and now click on boot button. So again, see, now the writing. So this is the trick that I found. Basically, there will be many errors occurring if you don't do these steps that I've shown, like clicking on the boot. If you just leave it like that, you may face an error.
So the error I faced was something like error 2, unable to get response. So when I tried this, I didn't get the error. And not only once, I tried it a couple of times. So it did work. So it is a trustworthy method.
The installation is done. Now let us close this firmware. Okay, and cancel this. Now let us, create a sample code to test whether the ESP32 is working. Oh, before that, let us just connect it. Okay, COM port not found. It is okay. The port is in COM 5, as you can see. So for that, again, you have to change it. So it is like in COM 6. We have to say that and say click OK. And again, we have to remove this orange connection and remove this USB. Again, plug it in. Press stop. Again, stop. Okay, see it is connected. So this indicates that it has been interfaced. ESP32 module cam. So I'm just creating sample code. So there is an actually inbuilt LED like the ESP32. In ESP32 also in pin 4 there's an inbuilt LED. So I'm configuring it as an output and I'm just making it toggle infinite loop I'm creating. So dash dot value dot dot. Okay, now I'm giving it a sleep of 0.5. Okay, so 5 second delay, 0.5 second delay. So I'm just running it. Alt plus F is a shortcut to run. Okay, now I'm saving it as a MicroPython device as Flash file. Okay, let me just save it as a main program itself. Okay, see, now it is running.
So I am pressing the stop button and to make the program to stop the program from running. So This is a basic program to test the working of ESP32 CAM module. More projects would be done using this module. So subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for future updates.